Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Caleb, and today we are going to be playing stock car racing. And here's the car right here, but I'm actually not going to race this one. But there it is, there's a good look. And then this is the car that I'm actually going to race. It's a really fast car. It goes like 140 miles an hour, but it's super cool. So we're going to get right into the game. Let's get right into the game. Okay, it's tap to begin. So we're starting off right now. I have to try to get in first, and I have to try to hold that first place for as long as possible. But if I do one miss up on my touch screen, it's gonna hurt. Oh, I'm immediately into second because I was in sixth and I just got the lead. Took it out on the outside and I'm in the lead. Hopefully I can hold that for the 5 laps or else I'm done. So here I'm starting to overlap people now. I'm losing control. That was funny. Okay, this is the last lap. If I screw up, I am meat on a plate with wheels. Holy. Crap. Oh. I'm still in first though, so screw whoever did that.
Nice. Wait, how much money?
How much money did I get? Let's see. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed that video.
Hard. Now you're gonna try hard.
Now we're gonna try hard before we end the video, and yeah, it's $500 for the win.
Oh wait.
Guys, you gotta admit, when I crashed him, that was funny. Still laughing at that. Oh no, this is hard. I'm a professional. Go faster. I'm going on the black to make me go faster, but it's not really doing anything. I'm in 8th? I'm in 9th? Come on. Yay. Get out of my way. 7th, I'm coming. I catch up. Here's where I catch up. Yay. Come on. I will give you $100,000 if you let me pass you. You don't want that money? That's just too bad, isn't it? Yay! Oh. I didn't even spin out. Yo, I'm in last though. No. I'm actually in 9th, so that's not last. At least it's not last. I did not want to do that. I did not want to do that. Not first person though, okay? I'm not ready for hard mode, guys. I will work on it. Move, truck! Oh, now you're just gonna spit your fire at me. Guess what I'm gonna do? You better stop who's ever behind me before I whoop you. Can I get a pit stop or something? Get a sandwich? Pretty hungry. Golly. Okay, crash. Wreck. Wreck like son of a gun. Why am I in 10th? Am I overlapping? Good job. I got 120 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'm definitely not ready for hard mode. There's Oreo right there just chilling here. And peace out.